Good morning. Before you post assignments, the first thing I would do is to go to settings. In the beginning, I like to turn the stream to only teachers can post or comment. Then I let the students know that for every comment they make, I actually get an email. And so I teach them that the comments are supposed to be if they need help or if they're asking each other for questions and suggestions. With distance learning, I ended up turning off the students can post and comment because it also made my stream super long. Another thing that's going to make your stream long is by having your assignments post on it. So I hide these notifications and then I click save. What I mean by your stream is this front page. You really should post maybe your agenda, attendance, or any really important announcements that you want to make with your students here. It makes it a lot easier to find. It's more of like a communication board. If you do not turn the notifications on, your assignments will also show up here. After a few weeks, this is going to get to be really, really long and things get lost.